Hi, I'm Zavi, and this is my final project for CS50 Python. My project title is Erroro. My full name is Mohammad Zavi Abbas. My GitHub username is Zavi14429H. edX username is Zavi. The city I live in is Raebareli, which is in India, and this video is being recorded on 9th of December 2025. So recently I was preparing for my SAT and I noticed that we as students do a lot of silly mistakes, I would say, in our mock tests and which like affect our main tests as well. So to prevent that, I have made a command line program which uses three files, project.py, testproject.py, and logger.csv. We can use this program to log our mock test scores subject wise, and it would also predict how many marks we can improve just by reducing the amount of silly mistakes we do. Additionally, it would also tell you overall which subject of the two subjects are you better in. So let's move to the interface. Let's log in pre R&W attempt. Mock 1. Let's say I scored 790. I did one question wrong, and that was a silly mistake. And let's log mock 1. Let's say I scored 750 in math. Five questions were wrong, and let's say four of them were silly mistakes. So both entries are logged successfully, and I can see the analytics here as well, which would tell you the statistics of your current logging. So silly mistake percentage in English is 100%, and silly mistakes in maths is 80%. Now I can also click on option 4 to predict my estimated marks increase. So estimated extra marks possible if you fix all the silly mistakes is 50 marks. And I can also quit the program by clicking on 5, but I'll also show you the error management here that let's say the user by chance input something like cat. So it would show invalid input. Please enter a number from 1 to 5, and the user can also exit the program by clicking on 5, that is quick.